शपथ लेकर
भारतीय संविधान की सच्चे मन से सेवा करूंगा और मैं भारत के सीमा सुरक्षा बल में ईमानदारी और सच्चे मन से निष्ठावान बना रहूंगा।
मुझे जहाँ कहीं भी जल थल या नभ के रास्ते भेजा जाएगा, मैं खुशी से जाऊंगा। भारत के राष्ट्रपति और उस अधिकारी की जिन्हें मेरे ऊपर नियुक्त किया जाएगा, सभी आज्ञाओं को मानूंगा और उनका पालन करूंगा, चाहे इसमें मुझे
अपना जीवन ही
बलिदान क्यों न करना पड़े।
They are out there, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, manning sweltering deserts and watching over snow-clad peaks, wading through menacing swamps and sweeping through dense forests. 250,000 men and women guarding over 6,500 kilometers on land and sea. They are India's frontline guardians, the border men, tasked with the most fundamental job, to protect India's borders. Meet the men and women in the Border Security Force. The people who are India's first line of defense. These commandos are on a mission. One wrong step, one false move could prove disastrous. The enemy hideout has to be destroyed, and the terrorists killed. And once it starts, it finishes in a flash.
चलो ओके क्लोज करो। शाबाश, well done. सारे close, center close.
They are now one step closer to being inducted into the BSF's elite commando force, the Creek Crocodile Commandos.
ओके, आपका एक्सरसाइज बहुत अच्छा रहा। जितने भी मिलिटेंट थे उनको सबको आपने मार गिराया। वेल डन, वेरी गुड। ये 2-4 कमांडो ने गलती की है, उसको ध्यान रखेंगे। आगे की एक्सरसाइज में किसी में वो गलती रिपीट नहीं होनी चाहिए। जब भी क्रॉल कर रहे हैं तो नीचे होकर के क्रॉल करेंगे। क्लियर है?
This academy is the training ground, which takes ordinary boys and turns them into disciplined bordermen.
We get up at around 3:30, and then we report here by around 4:45, and then we march off by 5:15, and then we push off for the run, and then come back for the obstacles, and then we get off for the another drill session or the routine sessions in the morning. I'll tell you, it's very tough. But as they say, you know, as the going gets tough, the tough gets going.
My father is retired Sergeant Indian Air Force, so I have been from the family of armed forces only. He is my inspiration to join these forces actually. There's a common saying in the BSF Academy that steel gets molded here. So believe me, they will mold you.
Over the next 50 weeks, these trainees will be pushed to the limit. The training will change their lives. Daily drills turn them into mean fighting machines.
At the end of the training, if we see anybody in any situation, a normal person says, "Ab hum kya karein?" But in our case, he will always get up, rise to the situation and say, "Ab hum ye karenge."
BSF's motto is Jivan Paryant Kartavya, or duty unto death. And that is what they're trained here to do. To put their lives on the line to keep India's borders safe.
HG117, charge 4!
These men are on an exercise, maintaining the 105mm field guns. These guns, if deployed, can hit targets up to 24 kilometers away. Some of these men are headed up to the high-altitude border. But they need to acclimatize their bodies to thin mountain air before flying higher.
Enemy platoon locality!
We are over 13,000 feet above sea level in the South Pir Panjal mountain range of Kashmir. This is a forward defended locality, or an FDL, a strategic post at the line of control. The line of control, also known as the LOC, is a military front line between India and Pakistan in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The LOC acts as a dividing line between the two countries. But neither country recognizes it as an international boundary. BSF guards some parts of this LOC under the operational control of the Indian Army. The National Geographic filming crew is at one such undisclosed, snow-covered FDL. These bunkers, half buried in the snow, are home to men who guard India's icy front lines round the year. This thin barbed wire is the only visible dividing line between India and its neighbor. The Pakistani post, clearly visible in the distance. Alertness being one of their key qualities. The bordermen on duty here can never let their guard down, even though it's Diwali, the festival of lights.
हाँ बेटे, हाँ आपको भी दिवाली की बहुत-बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
Second in command, SK Singh, has spent 8 years in militant-infested areas. He has come especially to boost the morale of the men at this post.
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, जल्दी मिलेंगे बेटा, जल्दी मिलेंगे.
अभी आवश्यकता देश की सुरक्षा की है, तो हम लोग देश को एक तरह से सीमा पर खड़े होकर सुरक्षित रख रहे हैं, जिससे बाकी देश दिवाली मना सके और उनकी इस रौनक और उनकी दिवाली देख के हम भी यहाँ खुश होते हैं. हैप्पी दिवाली.
But this season of festivities is also the season of infiltration. As the snow is still low, unauthorized border crossings are not uncommon. Not taking any chances, 3 different patrol teams are being sent out to comb the area.
इसके साथ ही साथ जाना है. पार्टियों की बात और उनकी ब्रीफिंग तरतीब के साथ होनी चाहिए, जिससे कि कोई भी जो है चांस नहीं देना है इस बार.
हमारे को अभी खबर मिली है
The men set out on their mission, and their platoon commander gives clear instructions. The snow looks deceptively serene, but the landscape is treacherous. One false step could see them fall down a deep crevice. Every step is measured. As they come closer to enemy country, it's time to blend in further. Every crevice and under every bridge is checked for signs of infiltration. The team heard shots in the distance. And while this patrol party saw no action, the other patrol was successful in dealing with the infiltrators. The situation at the border is always a matter of concern. At this weekly meeting, the Director General gets live reports from the border posts firsthand. The BSF's headquarters uses satellite imagery to monitor the situation at every location.
IG Kashmir, a lot of infiltration attempts are taking place, a lot of firings across border firings are taking place. Our FDLs have also been targeted. So what all measures you are taking to prevent this attempt from across the border?
Good morning, sir. This is Jagat Singh. One of the FDL, 5 militants tried to cross over to the Indian side. They were intercepted by the FDL. After contact, 4 have been utilized and 1 has been apprehended.
So this is a very crucial stage when you have to really be very vigilant. The troops have to be really alert so that no infiltration takes place from area of our responsibility. Please guard against that.
Thank you, sir.
The BSF guards over 6,500 kilometers of India's borders. That's nearly as long as the Nile, the longest river in the world. While the Eastern Command of the BSF is responsible for monitoring India's borders with Bangladesh, the Western Command mans India's borders with Pakistan. BSF assists the Army in operating at the LOC in Kashmir. BSF works in conditions from extreme snow to sweltering deserts. Thar, a desert spread across both India and Pakistan. It's bigger than Hungary and Iceland combined. And without a doubt, it is one of the world's most inhospitable regions.
The weather conditions are very harsh. During the summer, especially during June, July and August, the temperature goes up to more than 50 degrees centigrade.
Little ground cover, hot winds, and no human inhabitation for several kilometers. Yet these blistering sands have to be guarded. This is the fault line between India and Pakistan. It's a border area that saw a pitched battle between the two neighbors during the 1971 war. And now, it's armed to the teeth.
All the BSF battalions, they come here for their annual range classification fire, and they conduct the firing of 81 mortar, MMG, 51 mortars, AGL, rocket launchers and rifle grenades here.
Second in command, Vikram Dev Singh, is a second-generation BSF man.
As far as I am concerned, BSF is playing the pivotal role in the national security of our country. Such extreme conditions, day in and day out, not 1 year, 2 years, but maybe 10, 20, 30 years. And this is really unmatched. You won't find such an example anywhere in this world.
Checkpoint Murar. Just over 100 kilometers from the nearest city of Jaisalmer. Constable Vipin Kumar is on the lookout.
यहाँ का जो रहन सहन है काफ़ी टफ है. इधर का क्लाइमेक्स और वेदर इतना अच्छा नहीं है क्योंकि यहाँ से 20-25 किलोमीटर दूर तो कोई ढानियाँ और ढानियाँ भी छोटी मोटी है. सिटी से हमारा संपर्क ही टूट रखा है बिल्कुल.
This BOP, or border outpost, is far from habitation. just 5 buildings hunkered into the sand, keeping the lonely vigil on the border. The shifting sands means that roads are nearly impossible to build. And this is camel country. The BSF uses over 1,000 camels to patrol the sandy borders. It's also the only Indian force to have a unique camel contingent. Having a border fence is a big deterrent, but infiltrators still manage to cross over. This patrol party has found footprints that don't belong to the BSF men.
Juliet 6, 4 calling, Juliet 5, report over.
Okay, carry on.
748 पुल के पास सर कुछ सके निशान पाए गए हैं सर, जो भी इंसान के हैं सर, पाकिस्तान से इंडिया की तरफ गया सर।
ठीक है, हम आ रहे हैं अपनी टीम लेके।
They set out to track the infiltrators. Specially trained sniffer dogs are hot on the trail. A patrol is sent to check the footprints on the other side of the fence.
International border is approximately 150 yards from the fences. Right now, we would be going for an operation across the fence. That is, we call it ZLP, that is Zero Line Patrolling. We go across the fence to scan border.
ZLP, or Zero Line Patrolling, is patrolling along the international border, or IB, the internationally accepted dividing line between India and its neighbors. This invisible line is dotted with white triangular pillars. While India has fenced its border, the Pakistani side has no such fence. An hour and a half into the search, one of the teams finally finds the man they're looking for.
First of all, it's a fenced border. Nobody can cross it. If anyone does it, then we are here.
BSF's most fundamental job is to protect the borders during peacetime. And, in times of war, to hold ground until the armed forces arrive and to take over.
Border पे जब भी आएगी आर्मी तो वार टाइम के दौरान आएगी, but BSF यहाँ पर permanently deployed है. We are doing 24/7. तो हर समय हम border के ऊपर छाए हुए हैं.
For the bordermen, this is just another day in the wilderness and seclusion of the Thar. But there are other places you could be as a BSF guard that revs up your energy and brings you alive. In 1965, India's borders were attacked by its neighbor Pakistan. After the 17-day war, a ceasefire was declared, and a decision was taken to form a specialized border guarding force.
Earlier, our borders with Pakistan used to be guarded by the state armed police of different states. There were some lessons learned during the 65 war. They decided to constitute a dedicated force to guard the Pakistan border. And on 1st December 1965, BSF was born. And today, we can claim to be the world's largest border guarding force.
1971. East Pakistan erupted in civil unrest, and millions of people were forced to make their way towards India. The BSF swung into action.
Be it a war on the western borders, Be it militancy in Jammu and Kashmir, be it insurgency in Northeast, today be it the challenges in the left-wing extremism areas, any other internal security challenge, name it, and BSF has been there.
However, the historical animosity between India and Pakistan takes a theatrical hue here, at the Athari border crossing. This ceremony is led by Assistant Commandant Ran Singh Mangawa. He wears his pride like a badge.
मेरी पिछली 3 पीढ़ी यानी मेरे दादाजी, मेरे पिताजी, अभी मैं देश की सेवा कर रहे हैं और बीएसएफ में रह के यहाँ अटारी जैसे बॉर्डर के ऊपर में कमांड करके उसका एक अलग ही जज्बा, एक अलग ही जुनून है।
The gates are wrenched open to the cheers of patriotic crowds on either side. The BSF and the Pakistani Rangers put on a choreographed show of aggression, with powerful stamping feet, twirling of mustaches, and exaggerated rolling eyes. The flags of the two countries come down before the gates are slammed shut for the evening. But it's not all ceremonial duties for Assistant Commandant Ran Singh Mangawa and his men. The real business takes place far away from the cheering crowds. It's an hour to go before one of the most sensitive trains in India will pass by. Security is a major concern. And this drill is carried out painstakingly every Monday and Thursday.
बीएसएफ की रिस्पांसिबिलिटी है कि पहले जब गेट खुलेगा तो एक पार्टी गेट के आगे जाएगी, गेट के आगे का इलाका सर्च करेगी, किसी प्रकार की सस्पेक्टेड कोई चीज़ छुपी तो नहीं है वहाँ पे। जो ट्रेन पाकिस्तान से आएगी उसको जीरो लाइन से एस्कॉर्ट करके यहाँ पे अटारी स्टेशन से पहले जीआरपी की पोस्ट पड़ती है, उनको हैंडओवर करके वापस आना। साथ में डोमिनेटिंग फीचर के ऊपर में हमारे वेपन माउंट होते हैं, तो गाड़ियों के ऊपर में वेपन माउंट होते हैं कि किसी प्रकार की कंटीजेंसी या कोई बंदा भागने की कोशिश करे तो उसे हम चेज करके पकड़ सकें।
The high-profile, busy border of Athari is in stark contrast to the other border areas of Punjab. Punjab is also called the breadbasket of India because of its fertile land. Some of this land lies between the fence and the international border. The BSF men act as Kisan guards, frisking farmers and keeping watch for possible illegal activities.
यहाँ पर जो फेंसिंग है और जीरो लाइन के बीच में 200-250 मीटर आगे तक किसानों का ज़मीन है। आगे हमारे जिस टाइम किसान जाते हैं उनको प्रॉपर हम चेक करते हैं और उनके साथ हम सुरक्षा गार्ड आगे भेजते हैं ताकि ऐसी जो सामान जो पाकिस्तान की तरफ से जैसे कि तस्करी का सामान होता है, हीरोइन वगैरह होता है और हथियार हमेशा हमारे कंट्री के अंदर नहीं आ सके।
पाकिस्तान और साढ़े नज़दीक है, नाल खेती उनकी है, नाल खेती आपकी है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, कोई खौफ नहीं, उनका काम करते हैं, खेती वधिया। BSF अपने हमारे साथ है, जिथे जायदा नाल जाते हैं पूरी अपनी निगरानी रखते हैं, पूरा ध्यान रखते हैं।
The border areas are very different from one another, even at short distances. Parts of the border get waterlogged seasonally, making simple patrolling a hard task. The men perform their patrolling duties in knee-high rubber boots.
जब बरसात वगैरह ज़्यादा होती है या बागड़ा नांगल बांध का पानी छोड़ा जाता है तो यहाँ पर इस एरिया में भी, हमारे बॉर्डर एरिया में भी 5-5 फीट तक पानी भर जाता है। कैसा भी सीजन हो, चाहे गर्मी हो, तूफान हो, पानी हो, कुछ भी हो, उसमें भी ये पेट्रोलिंग जारी रहती है।
But further south of this border lies a terrain far more challenging. There is nothing as far as the eye can see. And yet, this salty, barren earth covered by brackish water for most of the year, has to be constantly guarded. This is the Great Rann of Kutch, one of the world's largest salt deserts. Manning this desolate territory means braving dryouts in summer, floods in the monsoon, and freezing weather in winter.
It is a challenge to manning unfenced border at this place. And the fencing is also very difficult. It is just not possible to erect the fence on such borders because it's a run area and the salt water is always there. Right now, since last few years, we have got 4 ATVs, which is called all-terrain vehicles, and which we are using for the movement of the troops.
This is the western terminus, Pillar 1175, the last boundary pillar between India and Pakistan. Beyond this lie the creeks, the network of streams and waterways embracing the Arabian Sea, and Sur Creek, the disputed channel between India and Pakistan. The waters may look calm, but cyclonic winds can whip up meter-high waves, hampering operations. The BSF has its own water wing to help guard the borders that lie on the water. These fast attack crafts with ultra-modern communication systems are used to guard the waters.
इस वेसल को हम रात को दिन में कभी मूव कर सकते हैं। लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी के हमारे जीपीएस है, रडार है, इको साउंडर दे रखा है। तो ये इसमें लेटेस्ट मैप्स इसमें फीड कर रखे हैं। इसमें हमने रूट मार्क कर रखे हैं। रात को सुबह हम कभी इसमें मार्च कर सकते हैं।
Saula Pier, the sole land outpost in the creeks, is the highest point for kilometers around. The bordermen wear high boots and anklets to protect them from deadly vipers. They maintain their lonely vigil on this post for 6 months a year.
It has got a very strategic importance because of the Pakistani activities here.
The mudflats and marshy lands around the creeks are inundated by high tides at least twice a day. Operating in this geographically challenging area requires special skills. These Creek Crocodile Commandos are at home on the water and in the marshes. The creeks, with their numerous inlets, are vulnerable to infiltration. These captured boats are a clear indication of the strategic importance of the area. An area where the bordermen are tested not just by the enemy across, but by the terrain itself. Thousands of kilometers away, on India's eastern front, Bangladesh is a friendlier neighbor. But guarding a friendly border comes with its own unique challenges. Cattle smugglers, India's zigzag border with Bangladesh, also called the Radcliffe Line, is over 4,000 kilometers long, longer than the distance between New York and Los Angeles. Tripura, the third smallest state in India, is surrounded on 3 sides by Bangladesh. In many places, densely populated villages lie very close to the international border.
ये जो 2033 बॉर्डर पिलर है, ये बिल्कुल ये जो एक फैमिली है, इसके 2 भाई अभी बांग्लादेश में, 2 इंडिया में, और उनकी जो परिवार है, ये दोनों आधा-आधा बटा हुआ है, और ये बॉर्डर पिलर इन दोनों को मतलब आधा-आधा करता है.
Policing this area is a complex task, as many large extended families live on both sides of the border.
हम लोग ऐसा कोई महसूस नहीं हुआ ये इंडिया है या बांग्लादेश है. हम लोगों का बहन में वापस शादी हो रहा है, मेरा भाई भी वापस शादी हुआ है, मेरा काका भी उधर के शादी करने वाला है, मेरा नाना का घर भी उधर ही है.
But away from this habitation, the low hills of Tripura, with their thick green cover, turn hostile. The bordermen here have to keep vigil wearing mosquito net face masks, for lurking in the area is the world's deadliest malaria parasite, the Plasmodium falciparum.
लोकल इसकी ट्रीटमेंट का कोई यहाँ पर प्रावधान नहीं है और हम लोगों को इन बंदों को जो है हेक्टर से इवैक्यूएट करना पड़ता है और चूँकि यहाँ पर रोड कनेक्टिविटी नहीं है और इस वजह से जो है इसमें कई बार ले जाने में काफ़ी दिक्कत होती है और बंदा लेट होने से जो है उसकी जान भी जा सकती है.
The crew is made to wear these net masks too. We're told that these uniforms could be the thin shield between life and death. The terrain, once again, is an enemy here. Just over 300 kilometers southwest of Tripura, BSF men on a night watch. The challenge is completely different. Suspicious movement is spotted on the thermal imager.
मैंने हैंड हेल्ड थर्मल इमेजर के मॉनिटर पे अभी देखा कि IBBR 500 मीटर पीछे जहाँ हम खड़े हैं 10 से 15 कैटल का मूवमेंट है और उनके साथ लगभग 20 से 25 लोग भी हैं जो IBBR की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं.
Cattle smugglers. Chased and caught. 1/4 of the Indo-Bangladesh border is unfenced, making cattle smuggling rampant in these areas. In 2014, close to 2 million cattle, worth millions of dollars, were smuggled across the border. Due to strategic patrolling tactics by the bordermen, these numbers have now sharply declined. Just like on the western border, it's not just boots on the ground here in the east. BSF's specialized water wing monitors the numerous water channels around the Bay of Bengal. Covering an area of around 10,000 square kilometers, the Sundarbans are almost the same size as Jamaica, nearly half of which lies in India, and the rest in Bangladesh. The BSF has its task cut out for it here. Hot and humid, the Sundarbans are a tricky network of waterways, mudflats, and small islands. The land is swampy, and hidden in the wilderness are deadly creatures that sting and bite. The landscape changes with the tides, and also forms part of the porous border between India and Bangladesh. Durga is one of the 3 floating border outposts, which BSF uses to monitor the huge expanse of its river border around the Sundarbans. Each 353-ton vessel is equipped with eco-sounders and satellite navigation equipment to help the men master this challenging landscape. Durga is home to 30 bordermen. Like others, it's armed with 4 fast patrol boats, which act as floating checkpoints to control smuggling and infiltration. Commandant K.M. Prasad is the man in charge.
हम अभी भारत और बांग्लादेश के बीच बिल्कुल अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सीमा पे खड़े हैं. हमारे पीछे जो नदी का इलाका देख रहे हैं, इसके पीछे बांग्लादेश का इलाका होता है और हमारे ठीक सामने जो है हमारे भारतवर्ष का इलाका है.
Winning the hearts and minds of the people in remote areas is part of the BSF's mandate. It's Monday. This floating clinic run by BSF's Dr. Prashant Rai is out doing the rounds of the villages. Some of the villages in this area have little access to medical care. They are therefore dependent on the border security force to aid them.
ভালো হয়ে যাবে হ্যাঁ এই অবস্থায় ভালো ওষুধ ব্যথার সম্পর্কে আমি পেয়েছি ভাই মাঝে ব্যথার জন্য ডাক্তারবাবু দিলেন আমার
Further inland, this train track is the connecting line between India and Bangladesh. Policing the densely populated border is a daily challenge. The BSF ensures peace by working closely with its Bangladeshi counterpart.
इस टाइम हम खड़े हैं भारत बांग्लादेश की जीरो लाइन पर। कल शाम को एक बांग्लादेशी सिटीजन गलती से खेती करते करते इंडियन टेरिटरी में घुस गया था, तो उसको पेट्रोल करते हुए हमारे बीएसएफ के जवानों ने एप्रीहेंड किया है। उसी को सिंस उसकी कोई गलती नहीं थी, ही डिड नॉट हैव एनी मैनिफेस्टेड इंटेंशंस, तो उसको वापस करने के हेतु हमने आज ये फ्लैग मीटिंग की है।
Flag meetings like this one help to resolve small issues quickly. The BSF not only maintains peace on the border, but also quells those who threaten peace within. The Border Security Force was raised to guard India's borders. But it is now also being tasked with sensitive operations across the country.
Besides guarding the border 24/7, BSF has been there in all the security challenges that the nation is facing.
These men have undergone specialized commando training.
इस ऑपरेशन को हमारा कमांडो प्लाटून 3 ग्रुपों में अंजाम देगा। स्टॉप ग्रुप, रेडिंग ग्रुप और परस्यूट ग्रुप।
The mission to destroy a left-wing extremist hideout. The strategy planned right down to the minutest detail.
हमारे पास इस एरिया का मैप है और हमने प्रिपरेशन अपना किया है। उसके अलावा हमारे पास कुछ लोकल सोर्सेज भी हैं जिसके हम अपना हाइडआउट को नज़दीक से डिस्ट्रॉय करेंगे और वापस आएंगे।
This platoon specializes in the jungles of central India.
Over a period, the BSF has proven its worth, whether it has been the militancy in Punjab or later on its contribution in controlling the militancy in J&K has put in more responsibility on BSF, and that is why it has been chosen for one of the most difficult areas in the Naxalite-prone areas.
The commandos make their way carefully, ever watchful for any movement, aware that they could become the target themselves. Almost predictably, the commandos find what they think is an IED, an improvised explosive device, hidden on the side of the road.
पेड़ के ऊपर एक IED मिली है। All parties take position.
The dog squad is called, and this 6-year-old Labrador confirms the suspicion.
नक्सल्स को कॉमर्शियल एक्सप्लोजिव इजीली अवेलेबल हो जाते हैं क्योंकि माइनिंग वगैरह में यूज़ होते हैं। ये अगर बीएसएफ की एक कॉन्वॉय जा रही है या बीएसएफ की एक पेट्रोलिंग जा रही है तो ये अपने इलाके में आने वाले कम से कम 10 से 15 आदमी को एट अ टाइम इंजर्ड कर सकती है या उसको किल कर सकती है।
The IED is defused, but the men have lost precious time, and the weather has turned from bad to worse. The platoon commander decides to camp for the night.
हमारी जो रेड है उसको मैंने डिले किया है। पहले हमको रात को रेड करना था, लेकिन अभी मौसम ख़राब और रास्ता ख़राब होने की वजह से हमको यहीं पे हॉल्ट करना पड़ा। 0450 बजे तक हम रेड करेंगे।
At dawn, it's time to get cracking. All traces of their presence is erased. It's time for a quick briefing.
जाने का रास्ता, ऑर्डर ऑफ मार्च, ब्रीफिंग के अनुसार।
If the intelligence is correct, the extremist hideout is not far.
Carry on the search. Search.
The operation was a success. The enemy hideout destroyed.
Nursing assistant, go.
But as is the case in many of these operations, the bordermen also suffer casualties. In its 50 years of existence, the Bordermen's exceptional valor and courage has been recognized with some of the country's highest gallantry awards, including a Mahavir Chakra, 4 Kirti Chakra, and 11 Veer Chakra.
We have over 1,600 people who have laid down their lives in the service of the nation. They have laid down their life in protecting the motherland, and they all ultimately lifted their motto, Jeevan Paryant Kartabya. We are all proud of it. BSF is proud of it. All bordermen are proud of it.
Finally, we come back to where it all began. The training academy at Tekkenpur. This academy is the training ground which takes ordinary boys and turns them into disciplined bordermen. For these 150 young men, the big day is here. They will be ordained as bordermen today. Strong in body and mind, and heads held high. This passing out parade is a culmination of more than 50 weeks of tough training. As they take their last steps out of this academy, these young men are ready to serve their country's borders. It is an emotional moment as their family and friends help these trainees wear their ranks for the very first time.
It's like they have been preparing for this day. They have been waiting for 1 year to complete this day.
मुझे बहुत ही खुशी हुई है कि मेरा बेटा बहुत आगे बढ़ गया.
We are very proud of him.
India's Seema Prahari, sentinels of the border. Border policemen during peace, and professional soldiers in war. I will not disgrace the borderman's arms, nor abandon the comrade who stands at my side. Whether alone or with many, I will defend everything that my country holds sacred. These men do their duty by this borderman's pledge. Trained for combat in any terrain, and bound together in brotherhood, the Border Security Force, India's first line of defense